Welcome to Northwest Tucson, where desert beauty meets wide open skies, mountain views from every angle, and some of Tucson's most relaxing and scenic neighborhoods. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about what Tucson's northwest side has to offer. Let's start with the landscape, because out here, the views are everything. To the west, you have the Tucson Mountains, rugged, rocky, and packed with desert trails that lead to panoramic overlooks and Sonoran sunsets that stop you in your tracks. Sombrero Peak is the star of the show. To the northwest, you'll spot the Tortolita Mountains, providing West Tucson with a wild, open feeling that locals love, especially if you're a mountain biker. Off in the distance, the Santa Catalina Mountains rise tall and steady, always visible, always breathtaking. It's like living in the middle of a postcard. Now, one of the highlights of this part of town is Arthur Pack Regional Park. This 500-acre park is great for walking your dog, watching a Little League game, or just going out for a stroll to unwind and reconnect with nature. It's also home to Crooked Tree Golf Course, one of the city's most beloved public courses. It's the kind of course that makes you feel lucky to call this area home. And if all that fresh air works up your appetite, you're in luck, because just down the road is the Persian Room, featuring ornate decor, warm lighting, and aromas that'll have you ordering everything on the menu. Get the gyro plate if you're craving a tried and true favorite, and meat lovers will love the barg with delicious filet mignon meat. But vegetarians will have their pick of plates as well, with veggies perfectly cooked and seasoned to favorites. Add a pile of fluffy saffron basmati rice, and you've got yourself a mouth-watering Tucson meal. And speaking of perfect, I am happy to present my latest listing on 9020 Jessy Lane. Southwest charm, stunning views, and modern elegance combine in this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1950 square foot single-story TJ Bednar home with a split floor plan in the desirable Ironwood Meadows subdivision. Pride of ownership shines as the entire interior and exterior of the home have been completely repainted, including doors, trim, and cabinets. The roof has recently been recoated, and all hardware, ceiling fans, and dining room chandelier are almost brand new. With mature desert plantings, including desert willow and red push pistache trees. As you enter, immediately notice the natural light in the open living space with cozy fireplace. No carpet in this completely tiled home, with lovely recently refinished and polished saltillo tile throughout, completing the high ceilings and wood beams. Your open kitchen features slab granite countertops, kitchen island, and stainless steel appliances, including brand new induction stove. The large primary bedroom features an exterior door to private patio and spacious walk-in closet. The attached bathroom boasts beautiful, recently painted blue cabinets on the double vanity, a private toilet, a large standing shower, and separate soaking tub for relaxing at the end of the day. But the backyard may be the star of the show. No neighbors behind provides desert freedom and privacy surrounding the beautiful Pebble Tech pool, recently acid washed, with pop-up cleaners for easy maintenance, new LED color changing light, new glass filter, and new variable speed pump. Relax in your wraparound back porch under the large covered patio as you enjoy your breathtaking desert sunsets and unobstructed views of Sombrero Peak in the Tucson Mountains. The backyard also boasts private patio off of the primary suite, a lovely water fountain, new rock, and multiple desert plantings, including fruit-bearing mandarin orange, lime, and Meyer lemon citrus. All appliances stay, including the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. All window coverings stay. The water softener system can help with hard water calcium buildup, and the reverse osmosis system in the kitchen filters all your drinking water. The backyard vigas are recently replaced. Some furniture may be available on a separate bill of sale. And don't forget about the area. Here you will be minutes from Arthur Pack Regional Park and Crooked Tree Golf Course, plus restaurants, grocery and hardware stores, pharmacies, vets, Interstate 10, Costco, and a 15-minute drive from downtown Tucson. Enjoy your next chapter in this beautiful home. When you or anyone you know is ready to buy or sell a home here in Tucson, Arizona, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel. I am a born and raised Tucsonan with in-depth community knowledge to help guide you in your home buying journey. If you're ready to sell your home, I have an extensive marketing package, and I feature all of my listings on this channel, along with hundreds of other videos about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. So make sure you're exploring those videos after this one. Comment below with your favorite thing about Tucson's Northwest side, and consider liking and subscribing on your way out the door. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.